Benefits of Torinosapparini simmered chicken with refreshment. This recipe is very easy to prepare, just by simmering with seasonings. It is said that vinegar dissolves collagen, calcium, and other nutrients into the cooking liquid, and by adding the cooking liquid to the ingredients, you can efficiently consume the nutrients and soften the meat. The refreshing taste makes it easy to eat and the health benefits of vinegar can be expected. Chicken wings, which are a bony part of the meat, contain a lot of collagen. In addition to its effect on the skin, collagen is one of the components that make up cartilage, so it is said to help alleviate joint pain. The health benefits expected from vinegar are said to include suppression of postprandial blood sugar elevation, reduction of body fat and visceral fat, lowering of blood pressure, and relief of fatigue, making it one of the foods that should be proactively taken in.